So in this video, we'll be seeing about the various components of this. As we all know, as geographic information system, it is again a system that is used to capture the data, analyze the data, store the data, and give out some useful results. So the data over here, it is considered as a spatial data or the geographic data. And these are some of the components that is relevant or used inside your geographic information system. The major components used are the hardware. Obviously, we have the hardware, software, the methods, the data, and the people. In order to connect all these components, we'll be using the network in order to connect these components. The very first component is the hardware. The hardware, obviously, right from the data collection to the storage of the data and printing the output. So the data collection, this is using the scanners or using the digitizers, using some cameras, we'll be collecting the input from spatial data. So that is a hardware unit. For processing system, you need a hard disk in the processor, and for printing the out, you're using a printer and a plotter. So these are some of the hardware devices that is used inside the geographic information system. The next component is your software. The software is nothing but there are a number of commercially available proprietary and open source GIS softwares, okay, in order to do the GIS data processing. The GIS data in the sense the geospatial data processing. That is for the data analysis, for the weather prediction, for navigation analysis, or any number of classification like the GRASS, OGC, OpenGIS, SIG, ASR grid are some of the commercially available GIS software in order to do the geospatial data processing. The next component is your people. See, the GIS technology is very much limited without the people. Right from the 1990s, common men started to use GIS. So the people, various phases of the GIS cycle, the people are involved, right from collection of the data to the deriving at methods for processing the data, and finding algorithms for processing the data, and the end user, whoever is using the data. All these people, these are some of the people who directly or indirectly they are using the GIS in their day-to-day life. This is also one of the important component about the geographic information system. The next component is the methods. Methods are nothing but the techniques and tools and technology, whatever you use in your geographic information system for some kind of business plan or some kind of searching algorithm or analysis algorithm or optimization algorithm, whatever you do with your spatial data in order to analyze the data, measure the data, store the data, visualize the data, or act based on the data, or some technique or tool or a method used comes as the method component of the geographic information system. Next, we have the very important component. It is like the heart of the geographic information system is the data, because everywhere the people are collecting the data. They are making use of the data, and they are just again the hardware is used in order to collect the data, to store the data, and to print the output. That is one more component. Then we'll be having the methods. With the data, the methods will apply to the data. So the data is like a heart of the geographic information. So the data again in the geographic information system can be classified into two types: widely as spatial data and non-spatial data. Again, the spatial data, it can be classified into vector format of data and raster format of data. Representation of the data in plane as such, as an Excel coordinate with the point, line, and polygon architecture. It is called as a vector data. The same data, spatial data, is represented in form of pixels or grid lines. Now it is called as a raster data format. And again, we have one more classification of the data. It is a non-spatial data, the attribute data. The data or spatial data, or the table form of the spatial data that describes the spatial data, is called as a non-spatial data. So these are the 5 components that is involved in a geographic information system: the hardware, the software, the people, the data, and the method. Okay.